Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Wise, and I'm your host Kamlesh Sharma. This video is dedicated to how you can upload your assignment in MS Teams using mobile. In the previous video, we saw how we can upload the assignment using MS Teams on desktop or laptop. Okay, but this video is a little different. यहाँ पे हम मोबाइल यूज़ करके अपने असाइनमेंट को MS Teams पे अपलोड कर रहे हैं. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. For the first thing which you have to do is you have to open your MS Teams in your mobile. Okay, and make sure that you have signed in with your MS Teams ID and password. So अपना MS Teams ID open करिए. Then alright, so when you sign into your MS Teams, you'll see the assignments. Okay, I have got this computer science HHW assignment. So I'll click on view assignment. Then I'll be transferred to this page which asks you to attach your work. Okay, so click on attach and click on upload from this device. Let's say I want to choose this image as my assignment homework. Now once you are done with attaching your work, okay, then finally you have to click hand in, right? So this is hand in, and here you go, your work is handed in. Okay, so this is very simple, right? And if you want to undo hand in, like suppose you have handed in and then you realize that there was a mistake in this, you can undo the hand in. Okay, you can click on the three dots, you can choose remove. All right, so in case you want to do some amendment to your assignment which you have already uploaded, you can go this way. Now suppose you want to attach a link. Let's say I have created a sway and I want to attach my sway as a link in this particular assignment. Then what you can do is click on attach, click on link, and now go to the sway. Okay, so I have already opened my sway. Fine. How do you open your sway? Just type in sway. ठीक है, Microsoft sway, like sway.office.com टाइप करिए. Then select the sway. Okay, click on share. This link is highlighted. Click on copy link. Come back to your Teams. ठीक है, press this text box for a while and the paste option will appear. Click on paste and attach. Okay, so this way the sway link can be attached. Finally you have to click on this hand in and your work will be handed in. Fine, so this is a very simple way. Fine, so in this video I have taught you how you can upload your normal PDF work from your mobile device. Secondly, I have also taught you how you can upload the link, okay, the sway link. It is not necessarily the sway link, it can be any kind of link which you can attach here as the assignment. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for each one of you. In case you still have any doubt, please feel free to put your doubts in the comment section below. I will be really happy to help all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and keep learning.